Today we have a 2015 Honda CR-V all-wheel drive, 15,000 miles, clean auto check. Comes with a 30-day dealer warranty. Give you a look at it. See, it does have the nice aggressive Honda styling. Has the nice chrome grille with the black plastic inserts. Has a nice chrome bezeling around your fog lights, parking lights, whatever you want to call those. It does have the nice LED lighting that goes out around your headlights. And you'll see it does have the 17-inch alloy wheels. Got Bridgestone rubber on there. Those tires are more than 3/4 tread. They're all but new almost. And you will see this has the camera on the right side mirror here. So whenever you turn your signal on, you can actually see what you're turning into over on that side. It's kind of a neat feature to have. And you see the interior is black on black. It has black cloth seats along with black carpeted floors. You have some brushed aluminum on the dash to break up some of the color. And the rear seating is pretty spacious for being a smaller style SUV. And you will see the seats do fold away. If you wish to haul some larger cargo in the back, that allows you to do so. Pretty easy to operate. Bring you around the back, you will see the badging, all-wheel drive of course. It does have rear wiper, rear defrost. You have your antenna on the roof for the satellite radio. And pretty decent sized cargo area. If you lift up a carpeted cargo mat, underneath that you'll see your spare tire and your jack, and underneath that spare you'll have your tools mounted in case you were to have a flat. And if you want to put your seats down from the back, there's also these handles. They're similar to a door handle in looks. You pull them, they'll actually just flip forward for you like that. And when I have the hatch up, it's easier to see. It does have the rear backup cam, which is mounted up underneath the license plate area. Rear rubber, similar to the front, around 3/4 tread. And you can see the seats are still folded down from where I flipped them in the back. Both of those seats on both sides do that. And then of course your center folds down for an armrest, or has cup holders in there also. And I'm going to jump inside the vehicle here and give you a look at the interior. You see on your driver's door you have your power locks, windows, and mirrors. You have a power driver seat. And by where your left knee would be to the left of the steering wheel, you have an economy button, which if you push that, it puts it into economy mode, which will get you a little better fuel mileage. And you have your traction control switch, which is down there. And if you look here at the steering wheel, you have your heads-up display for your gauges and whatnot on the steering wheel. You have your audio settings and your cruise control, and your Bluetooth telephone and voice activation controls are on the steering wheel, along with your headlights and your wiper controls front and rear. And over here you have your nice big display screen for your AM FM stereo, and like I mentioned, you do have XM on there. Underneath that you have your heating and air conditioning controls, along with your front and rear defrost. You have your automatic transmission selector, gear shift, and it's mounted nice and high up on the dash. A lot of them are mounted down lower, but it's kind of handy having it up there actually. You come down here and you'll see you have heated driver and passenger seats, along with a 12-volt power outlet. And you have adjustable cup holders. You have center console for some storage. And if you pop your armrest up, you will see you have a couple USB ports, and you have another 12-volt power source inside there. And this also has roof. It's nice and clean in here. There's no real signs of pets, smoke, nothing like that. It's a nice clean car. I'm going to go ahead and take you out under the engine bay, and we're going to give you a look at the engine. And you see underneath there, it's nice and clean. It does have the Earthstream's VTEC engine, which is a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder. And this does have the continuously variable transmission, also known as a CVT. Folks seem to like that a lot. It's a nice smooth shifting transmission. For being an SUV, you get pretty decent fuel mileage with these. I mean, you can expect to get around low to mid 30s on the highway, or if you're driving around town, 25, 26 maybe miles per gallon around town, which for an SUV is pretty darn good. Not so many years ago, you wouldn't get half that out of an SUV. So the last thing I'm going to do on this video is I am going to walk you around, and we're going to see if we can find any blemishes or damages on the vehicle to show you. That way, if you are interested in it, you will know ahead of time of any flaws that are present on it. Passenger side looks good and clean. The wheels are pretty nice. There are a couple small scuffs right on the lip of the back passenger side wheel. And the top of the back bumper does have a couple scratches that have been touched up, which is very common for SUVs, even cars. That's a vulnerable spot if you haul luggage or anything in the trunks or hatches. When you drag it out, that's the first place it comes down across, and they always seem to get scuffed there. And the corner of the bumper there has about an inch scratch on it. Other than that, the driver's side looks good and clean. Wheels look pretty good. All in all, it's a pretty darn nice SUV. If you happen to be in the market for one of these, or if you know somebody that does, maybe give them a heads up. If you give us a call here, we can set you up a test drive. Our number here is 717-485-4224. Or you can look us up on the website, www.thomasata.com. Thank you for your time.